There's a lot of scope still for developing um, information technology in health insurance, and the role in health insurance in the future is going to be dependent very much on how IT development takes place, right from distribution of health insurance, making available health insurance to people through e-commerce or giving e-options, or reaching the rural customers through those community or rural kiosks where you could sell financial products on the single window concept, to transmission of data from the providers or hospitals to insurance companies or TPAs. Again, transmission of information from insurers to the hospitals or the insureds. How quickly this happens is something which is going to be most important. How quickly and how correctly. Efforts are there to remove paperwork from all levels. Like insurance companies are giving basically cards, health cards to every individual. Now most of the corporates go in for e-cards. So physical cards have been replaced by e-cards. People used to send data physically to insurance companies. Now you give them access to your website where the employee logs in and enters the dependent details. So what happens is there is accuracy of data. Everybody does it in time. Lot of saving in cost as well as time there. When you talk about hospitals, when you talk about cashless hospitalization, you're talking about people faxing those through the traditional fax to the insurance companies or the TPAs. They'll again fax it back. Now once you start having this coming through the system, it's going to make a lot of difference. I was also talking about medical tests which are conducted for taking a policy. Most of the insurance companies above 45 years, they'll ask for a pre-acceptance medical test. So this test usually become a dampener because people run away, don't go in for this particular.
Chandrasekhar, Secretary IT, Ministry of Communications and IT, Government of India would be arriving in under 5 minutes in this possession area. Please be ready.
And yeah. No, you go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, what should be the roadmap to achieve the goals of health insurance to all in India?
There are different segments. Health insurance, if you look at health insurance commercially,
Attention please.
as such, less than 10% of your population is covered.
As Sri R. Chandrasekhar, Secretary, Department of Telecommunications, Ministry of Communications and IT, Government of India, will be arriving soon in the 5 minutes.
You talk about different segments. You talk about the high income segments, the mid segments, and the lower segments. Commercial health insurance is going to play a major role for the first two segments. You have got the government initiative of RSBYs and various state governments coming into various schemes which are trying to touch the segments below. So you have got the ESIS, Employee State Insurance Scheme, which is actually covering the employees of certain sector below certain wage limits of coming under a certain act. They and their dependents. You have got CGHS covering government. You have got railway insurance scheme, railway having their own scheme. So you are, in different ways, you are now trying to cover those gaps which are. The biggest gap was the rural areas which is. But still there is a big uninsured segment in the middle income section, higher middle income and the higher section, especially in the unorganized sector. Organized sector, those who are working for corporations or companies, they are usually covered through their employers. But other than this, there are so many who are there, and these are the segments which actually the insurance companies look at targeting. And how do you convert this? If you look at the world around, what is the maximum percentage? Most of the European countries, they have got 95% being covered through public insurance. Private insurance pays around 11% of it. You have got certain countries like states, etc., where the percentages are much higher, 45%, 50% or 60% of commercial insurance. Australia is another one. So to grow from this particular level to this, distribution channels are most important. How do you reach? Basically, it's always said in India still, before you sell products of insurance, you have to sell insurance as a product. It's an intangible product. So unless somebody understands it and experiences, he doesn't buy that product. So first sell insurance as a product, then go on for selling products of insurance. In the country, as of now, 25 to 26% is the growth rate for health insurance, and you expect this to continue for the next at least 8 to 10 years.